Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add rule of thirds grid in Premiere Pro. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open up the Premiere Pro. Now, you have to make sure that you have the ruler icon on your panel. If you can't see it, click on this plus icon and then click and drag it into the panel. With the ruler active, right click the ruler area and select Add Guide. Now modify percent to 33.3 and select top, and it will add your top horizontal line. To create the bottom line, do the same thing except this time select bottom. To create your vertical line, simply expand the orientation drop down and select vertical. Now you can create the left and right lines by following the same format used for the others, and then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add rule of third grades in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.